Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deep and you guys have tuned into Miss Jiva Deep. Hope you all are doing very well. Today in this video, I'm back towards my flourishing makeup tutorial. It's been so long now. So that's why in this video, I'm going to show you that how I created this Pinky the Pooh makeup look in very affordable manner. So now without any further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Starting off with eye primer. To prep up my eye base, I am using this Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer. Just take a pea-sized amount and apply it all over your lid. I am using this just because I like it. Otherwise, you can go for any primer. Also, if you don't know what primer is and how to use it, you can watch my previous video. Just click on the eye button on the top right corners. I have already mentioned its link in the description. Now it's time to apply concealer. To even out my eyelid, I am using this NYX Professional Makeup HD Concealer. It is very light to wear and it delivers a medium to full coverage. Effectively cover ups discoloration on my eyelid. And yeah, I am blending it using Damp Beauty Blender. It's time for eyeshadow, and for that I'm using here this Nicka K 9 color eyeshadow palette in the shade Sugar Plum, and I'm applying this very shade on my whole eyelid till crease. Guys, personally I feel that this palette is kind of dupe of Huda Beauty's Obsession eyeshadow palette, and this one is cheaper version of it. Sugar Plum palette has soft velvety formula. It delivers extreme color payoff, if you guys can see. Actually, I'm shooting this video on my mobile's camera, so to see how my real eyeshadow looks like, you can check out my Instagram. Link is in the description box. There I have posted pictures of this eye look. Now for shimmer, I am applying concoction of two different shades and placing it from my inner corner to the mid of my eyelid. Then to give it a blended look, I am blending harsh line of shimmers with my pink base. You can use your fingers for applying shimmer. Now to fill my inner corners, I'm taking this shade and applying it onto my inner corners with precision to make my look more awaken or brighten up. Now to complete my eye look, I have applied Falsies from Huda Beauty and eyeliner from Lakme, but behind the camera. With this, my eye look is completed. Now it's time for face makeup, and for face I'm starting up with facial oil, and I'm using here the Nykaa Skin Potion for dull and dry skin. There are many variants in this. You can choose according to your skin type. Now what I'm doing is taking required amount on my fingers, rubbing it in between my fingers so that it gets warm, then applying it onto my face, like giving it a gentle massage for like 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, I am prepping up my face with the same Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer. For my face, it's just take 2 pumps of it, that's it. Now guys, what I believe is this brand is underrated. Its products are too good, whether it is concealer or primer or anything. If you want to invest in some makeup products which are pocket friendly and cheap, you can go for this brand. Link is in the description box. Now for foundation, I am using this Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. It gives sheer to medium coverage, not a heavy foundation, having thin consistency. Very famous foundation, we all know about it, so yeah, link is in the description box. Now it's time for concealer, and I'm using the same concealer for my face, that is NYX Professional Makeup HD Photogenic Concealer. Guys, this is my first product from NYX brand and I really loved it. Applying under my inner corners and my outer corners. Yeah, really just take a little amount you need to apply on both eyes. And also to hide the discoloration on my forehead, to brighten up the bridge of my nose, middle of my brows and cupid's bow, around lips and some on my chin. Then blending it with beauty blenders. For contour, today I am using this contour stick from Maybelline and applying it in the hollows of my cheekbone, on the nose to give a sharpen effect, and also on my jawline to give it an edge. And at last, using beauty blenders, blend it all. Now it's time for blush, and for that I'm using this O2O liquid blush in the shade 01. This blush has a very thick consistency and it is very pigmented. I just love it. Now to pack my makeup. Here I'm using this Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder to set my concealer under the eyes or the hollows of my cheekbones. Now it's time to fix it up with Makeup Fixer, and I'm using this Professional Makeup Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I left it for 60 seconds and then using Damn Beauty Blender, I just pressed it into my skin to make my makeup look more blended. Now for highlighter, here I'm using this Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Malden Rose Gold on the high points of my cheekbone, middle of my forehead, on my chin and down the bridge of my nose, little bit on my cupid's bow and also on my brow bone. Here at last I am applying this Flaming Fuchsia shade from Maybelline Creamy Matte Rain. Here today I have tried bit overlined look because I have tiny lips. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please take a moment to appreciate it by turning that grey like button into blue, and also do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I posted a new video. Bye bye.